Are you looking for a video on how to estimate products? Then this video is right for you. So without much further ado, let's begin. Hi, my name is ROWEL CARPIO, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you have been to my YouTube channel before, welcome back. And if it is your first time to visit my channel, hit the subscribe button found below and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. And if you think that the content of my YouTube channel is worth sharing with others, kindly share it with them and leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! In this video, I'm going to present to you how to estimate products. How do we estimate products? In estimating products, we can follow the following steps. 1. Round off each factor to its highest placed value. Number 2. Multiply the non-zero digits. And number 3. Attach as many zeros in the product as there are in the rounded off value of the factors. So let us have the first example. Example number 1, we have here, estimate the product of 275 and 23. In our first step, it says that we have to round off each factor to its highest placed value. So when we have 275, the highest placed value is hundreds, and digit 2 is found in the hundreds place. So we are going to round off digit 2, and then we have to look at the next digit to its right, and that digit is 7. According to the rule that if this digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or none, we are going to add 1 to the digit we are rounding off. So 2 plus 1 will be 3, and we have to replace all the digits to its right with zeros. So 7 will become 0 and 5 will become 0. Times, we have 23. In 23, the highest place value is tens, and the digit 2 is also in the tens place. So we are going to round off digit 2. Since the digit after it is 3, so we don't need to add 1 to the digit that we are rounding off. So we have to retain it as 2, and then we have to replace the digit to its right with 0. So the rounded off value of each factor is 320. Now, the second step is for us to multiply the non-zero digits. Our non-zero digits here are 3 and 2. So we are going to multiply these two. So 2 times 3 will be 6. And the last step is for us to attach as many zeros in the product as there are in the factors. So we have to count how many zeros do we have in the factors. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 zeros in the factors. So we are going to attach also 3 zeros in our products. 1, 2, 3. So therefore, the estimated product of 275 and 23 is 6,000. Let's proceed to our example number 2. We have here estimate the product of 7,098 and 57. First, we are going to round off 7,098 to its highest place value. And the highest place value is thousands, and digit 7 is found in the thousands place. Since the next digit after it to the right is 0, so we have to retain 7. And all the digits to its right will be replaced with zeros. So 0, 0, and 0. Next, 57, the highest place value is tens, and the digit in the tens place is 5. So after the digit 5 to its right is the digit 7. Since this is 7, we have to add 1 to the digit that we are rounding off. 5 plus 1 will be 6, and then the 7 will be replaced with 0. So we have now here the rounded off values, 7,000 times 60. Now, the next step is for us to multiply the non-zero digits. The non-zero digits are 7 and 6. 6 times 7 is 42. And then we have to count how many zeros do we have in the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, we have to attach 4 zeros also in the product. 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, the estimated product of 7,098 and 57 is 420,000. Next, let's proceed to our example number 3. We have here estimate the product of 45,702 and 16. First is for us to round off 45,702 to its highest place value. The highest place value is 10 thousandths and digit 4 is found in the 10 thousandths place. Now, after the digit 4, the next digit is 5. Since according to the rule that we have to add 1, if this digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, so we have to add 1 to 4 to give us 5. And all the digits to its right will be replaced with zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits. So 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 16, the highest place value is tens. And 1 is found in the tens place. So after 1, the next digit is 6. So since this is 6, we have to add 1 to the digit that we are rounding off. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. And then the 6 will be replaced with 0. So we have now 50,000 times 20. Next is for us to multiply the non-zero digits. Our non-zero digits are 5 and 2. 2 times 5 will give us 10. After that, we have to count how many zeros we have in the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 zeros. So we have also to attach 5 zeros in the product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in other words, the estimated product of 45,702 and 16 is 1 million. So there you have it, how to estimate products. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.